Like your name is my Raj. So we're going to add water, guys. Yeah, I guess her name is I came here 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yeah, I can still remember you. Welcome back. So we're going to cook chicken soup. In Pinoy, this is our best, what's that? Best. So we're going to add this one. This one is tanglad. I don't know how do you call this in your place, but you know, actually I'm not feeling well. That's why I'm home and cooking for myself. So I need to cook. So we're going to put it. I'm sorry I didn't come in your stream because I did not get any notification. It's okay, thank you. It's okay. I appreciate your you coming back. Yeah. Thank you. So I'm going to add squash. So I